Hey guys, welcome back to Roshna as well. So guys, today's video we'll be discussing about off-campus recruitment drive from Zoho, which is for software developer profile. So let's discuss in detail. So basically, this is for both freshers and experience can apply for this job. So I mean, up to 2 years of experience can apply. So the job description would be basically you have to do the software developer role, wherein you have to develop, test, and implement new software programs and run write the clean and efficient codes, and you can just go through in details. Basically you'll be doing this and then understanding the domain, monitor customer feedback and recommend improvements also you'll be doing. Then the entire process, the rounds will be total 5 rounds will be there. This is very important. 5 rounds will be there in total, and yes, all rounds will be conducted online. Round 2 to 5 will be using the video conference, so it will be a face to face video call interview kind of thing. Then what you have to do is a good internet connectivity and laptop with the camera you should have. Now round 1 is your general aptitude test, which is for 1 to 2 hours test. Okay, round 2 is your programming duration, which is for 3 hours. So 5 programs in total you have to solve, and you have to explain the logic and write the code, and show the output also. And tools needed, Zoho will share you the online meeting link and you have to join. And then candidates will need IDE, Turbo, or Turbo C, Dev, C++, etc. You have to install in your laptop before this. And round 3, advanced programming round you will happen. Okay, and duration will be 3 hours. So this is the programming. Initial programming coding will happen, and here advanced programming will happen. One complex code will be given to you. You have to write a code and explain the logic also. And both the rounds would be same, but yes, the level of program will be high. Okay, last will be your interview technical round, which is face to face round for technical solving, or HR, not HR, sorry, problem solving skills would be there. Fifth is the HR round. If you complete fourth and you are moved to HR round, so most probably you are being shortlisted, because this is face to face. Basic HR rounds would be questions would be there, so probability is higher that you they have shortlisted you based on your technical knowledge. So everything will be communicated through email, so wait for it. And yes, if you have already attended Zoho's interview or process, then you in the last 3 months, then you need not to apply. And yes, you have to fill in the application, the basic form, and attach your resume here and submit. Make sure that guys the resume is up to date. Also, I have created complete video on Zoho, so you can go through that as well. And yes, in case you have any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Have a great day guys, be safe.